Now come to old age genetics. Why we are aging and what is the cause of our aging. Environment determines the 70 to 80% of our aging system process, and the genetics contributes the rest 20 to 30%. And the responsible molecule is single nucleotide polymorphism. In insulin particularly, free radicals and DNA repair system. All of these three determine our lifespan. Other specific variations in genes that influences lifespan are telomerase, FOX3, inflammatory cytokines, mitochondrial DNA. The FOX3 is a splicing factor, a new neuronal nuclei, and it is the member of FOX1 gene. The repair system for mutated DNA. There are different repair system in our body, and that is based. You must have read these are base excision repair and epi-site repair, mismatch repair, nucleotide repair system, direct repair, recombination repair, that is post replication repair, and SOS repair response, that is mainly in bacteria. Defective DNA repair and human diseases. There are different diseases which are caused due to defective DNA repair. These are xeroderma pigmentosa, Cockayne syndrome, Bloom syndrome, Fanconi's anemia, ataxia telangiectasia, hereditary non-polyposis colon cancer. You must remember 2-3 names. Xeroderma pigmentosa, that is very photosensitive skin and leads to skin cancer. And Fanconi anemia, that is a fatal type of aplastic anemia. Ataxia telangiectasia, that is sensitive to again ultraviolet rays. Bloom syndrome, that is lymphoreticular malignancies. These are the diseases which are caused due to the defective DNA repair system. Now come to mitochondria and mitochondrial mutation. Repair systems are absent in mitochondria, and that leads to mutation and genetic diseases. Mitochondrial DNA is 10 times more susceptible to mutation than nuclear DNA, and that causes faulty operation of the ETC, electron transport chain, and ATP production. Mitochondrial DNA, you know, circular DNA and 16,569 base pairs, and encodes 13 polypeptides, 22 transfer RNAs, and 12S and 16S, that is ribosomal RNAs of mitochondria. It leads to different types of myopathies, mitochondrial myopathies. Here, AES in Muzaffarpur, last year it was thought to be supposed to be related to mitochondrial myopathies, but till date it has not been proved by any research. It may be Leber's hereditary optic neuropathy, myoclonic epilepsy, ragged red fiber disease, Leigh syndrome, mitochondrial encephalopathy, lactic acidosis, and stroke, that is MELAS. Fatal infantile mitochondrial myopathy and renal dysfunction, myoneurogenic gastrointestinal encephalopathy, neuropathy, ataxia, retinitis pigmentosa, and ptosis. Ptosis is the drooping of eyelids. Diabetes mellitus and deafness. Here is the diabetes mellitus, but deafness appears before the diabetes mellitus and in a young age, that is in the 3rd decade of life. These are the mitochondrial myopathies. You must remember 2-3 names. You can remember MELAS, you can remember Leber's hereditary optic neuropathy, and fatal infantile mitochondrial myopathy and renal dysfunction. 3-4 you must remember. Mutations affecting membrane proteins. Membrane proteins, what are those? Receptors, transporters, ion channels, enzymes, and structural components in the membrane. And these proteins present in the membrane are uh, may be mutated due to regular glycosylation, and that mutation now leads to their alteration or affecting their functions, because these are oftenly glycosylated. And what are those conditions? These are congenital long QT syndrome, achondroplasia, familial hypercholesterolemia, cystic fibrosis, Wilson's disease, eye cell disease, that is inclusion cell disease, hereditary spherocytosis, paroxysmal nocturnal hemoglobinuria, metastasis of cancer cells. Congenital long QT syndrome is gene encoding ion channels in the heart. Achondroplasia, the fibroblast growth factor receptors 3, and growth of long bones are retarded and very short limbs. Familial hypercholesterolemia, that is gene encoding LDL receptors. Cystic fibrosis, as we have discussed, gene encoding CFTR protein, and that chloride transportation of pancreatic exocrine insufficiency. And thick secretions, Wilson disease, that is gene encoding the copper dependent ATPase, and copper deposition in the liver and brain leads to neurological manifestations. Inclusion cell disease due to lysosomal storage disorders and deficiency of enzymes which degrade the large molecules. Hereditary spherocytosis, RBC's membrane are defective and the shape is a small sphere shape, and they are fragile leading to hemolytic anemia and splenomegaly. Paroxysmal nocturnal hemoglobinuria, mutation in the gene in stem cell causing cell weak due to the lack of surface protein. Metastasis of cancer, that is chemokines, plays an important role in the metastasis of cancer. So the mutation, that is a monostress mutation, we have to live with mutation as we are living with corona right now. But be careful, be safe, and have a active life. Thank you.